experiment from the Slimer. If you remember our breaking news, the world has been taken over by slime.
Yeah.
And we need to do all these experiments so that we can stop the slime from spreading all over the earth.
Otherwise, it'll just turn into a big slimy ball of slime.
A big slimy ball of slime. So we've got the first experiment, and this one is the glow-in-the-dark slimy alien. Okay?
That's pretty cool.
So it does say, warning, this experiment can get very messy as you try to keep control of your slimy alien.
Okay.
So best to wear protective clothing and protect your work area. So that's why I've got a plate.
I'm not wearing protective clothing, but who cares?
So what you need for this is the alien mould.
Ooh, as you guys probably know, we don't have the best luck with
We haven't had the best luck with mould. The glow-in-the-dark slime. 2 wiggly eyes.
Shall I get 2 out?
Yeah.
Right. Set these aside.
Okay.
Ooh,
and a torch.
Eyes. Torch. Yay!
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to shine the torch onto your green glow-in-the-dark slime.
Should we make it dark?
No, not yet.
Okay.
So, there you go. Shine the torch. The torch isn't on.
I was turning it on. Oh!
So shine that on there.
It on.
Yeah, okay, so what you're doing is you're exciting all of the atoms in there. They're all jiggling around.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Is that it?
Yeah, now put your alien mould on the plate.
Hold on.
I might just keep shining it whilst you're doing that.
Plate.
Okay. Now what you want to do is put 2 wiggly eyes upside down in the mould.
What, on the eye bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah.
Ooh, there we go. That's going to look so cool.
Okay, now pour the glow-in-the-dark slime into the mould.
Shall I do that now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ooh! Shall I put it in?
Yeah, just poke it all in. Oh, look at that. That's satisfying.
It can't go in anymore. It won't all fit in.
Okay. Yeah, just let it sort of soak in.
Shall I push it in a bit?
Yeah,
oh,
just
I made a face.
poke it in as much as you can. Right, okay.
Right. Yeah.
Now. Should we make it dark?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be back. Do you want to tip him out? See what happens? So sort of go splat like that. Ready?
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Right, there you go, that's it.
It kind of works.
Now put it off.
That did not work.
No, but it does. It says it's going to sort of slime around. There, look at that.
Oh, look at him. Well,
but he definitely goes in the dark.
So he kind of has a smile. Look at his little eyeballs.
So there we go.
Look at him. He's cute.
So that was the glow-in-the-dark slimy alien.
But it didn't really work.
No, it didn't really make an alien. But you know,
his eyeballs are in there somewhere.
Do you know what slime is made of?
No.
So you know how everything is made up of atoms?
Yeah.
And if you get a group of atoms together, you get a molecule. We've talked about that before. Yeah. So this slime is made up of molecules that stick together to form a long chain called a polymer. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now, this has got the qualities of both a liquid, because you can pour it,
poor little girl,
and it expands to fill the space, like a liquid does, and a solid, because you can pick it up, right? So it's like a mixture.
It's like oobleck. Have you ever heard of that?
Yeah, that's cool, yeah. So it's also got something called guar gum in it, which comes from the beans of the plant called the guar plant.
The guar, that's
and that soaks up water, which makes it go all gooey and slimy.
Hold on, can I try?
I know, and it's really good fun to play with.
Oh.
So can you think of another polymer which is similar, except this time you can eat
Edible slime?
No.
There is such thing as
Okay,
edible
but
slime.
I wasn't thinking of edible slime. Something else. Sometimes have it with ice cream.
Chocolate sauce?
No.
Oh.
It wibbles and it wobbles.
Hold on, let me think. Maybe this will help me think. So it feels like this.
But it wibbles and it wobbles.
So this one does.
And it's usually a fruity flavour.
I don't know.
Jelly!
Oh, jelly! Oh,
so this looks just like jelly, doesn't it?
Yeah, but you don't want to eat
But
this.
I wouldn't eat this one because it's got glow-in-the-dark stuff in it and your poo would glow in the dark, which would be a bit weird. So what do you want to rate it? I'm going to give it a 7. I seem to have been given a lot of 7s recently.
I'm going to give it an 8.
An 8.
Because I don't have my stuff here, but it's just so funny.
An 8, okay. So I'm going to give it a 7 because it didn't go in the shape of an alien at all.
But I like it.
But it is good fun and it's gone super warm.
It has. Oh, I don't know. It's still a bit cold. Where's his eyes?
And it did glow in the dark, although we had to mix in the powder a bit, didn't we? Because it had all settled.
Yeah.
So it's not kind of all the way through. But, you know, generally okay. So you're giving it an 8. I've given it a 7. So 7.5.
Yeah, 7.5. That's just really fun.
So there we go. So this one gets a 7.5, science fans. So that was the, what was it called? The glow-in-the-dark slimy alien experiment from the Slime Lab by
Gil.
I can't stop playing with this now.
Yeah. Wait, you have to.
If you like what we're doing, go to our YouTube channel, which is Science Time, with Dr. Laura and
Ellie.
And don't forget to
like and subscribe. Oh no!
Oh no, you cut a piece out of him.
No.
Wow.
I'm gonna saw him.
So we're going to be playing here for a while, science fans. So we'll see you next time. Bye!